Welcome. This is how to disable internet on iPhone. So guys, to do this, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. So guys, to disable internet, what you could try to do from here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the Wi-Fi tab. And now here on the Wi-Fi tab, to disable internet, you could just simply completely turn it off. Or what you could try to do is just simply select the eye icon on the internet that you're connected with. And after that, you could just simply select forgot this network to disable internet. Another option that you could try, or what you could try to do, is just simply go ahead and go for the screen time, and then go for content and privacy restriction. Go for App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and you will have web content. And from here, you could customize a website on what is allowed or not. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.